I forgot your chair, honey. Sorry.
No problem. I'll just stand. This is nice. Man, I wish we didn't forget that chair.
Me too, honey.
But this is nice. I'm okay. Sad, but okay. maybe we can trade. You know, maybe you can sit, and then after a while, I can sit, and we can have a, you know, we can make that happen. I think that might be nice. Standing's great. Oh, you should try it. You should try the standing. It is awesome.
I need this for my feet.
You need my table? Oh, here. Good. All right. That's even better. I'll just hold my damn water. That's better. Maybe we could trade. You sit with your feet up for a while. Then I sit with my feet up for a while. That might be nice. You know, I'll hold the water. Then you'll hold the water. Thirsty?
No. Oh, yeah.
Just let me know. Good exercise.
What's for dinner?
Meat and potatoes. We're gonna have some meat, we're gonna have some potatoes.